Step-by-step guide to starting a teeth whitening business. Research the market, determine the demand for teeth whitening services in your area and gather information about existing businesses and their offerings. Develop a business plan, outline your business goals, target market, budget, marketing strategy, and operational plan. Acquire necessary equipment, invest in a high-quality teeth whitening machine and supplies such as whitening gels. Get certified. Consider obtaining a certification in teeth whitening to increase your credibility and knowledge. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Determine what licenses and permits are required to operate a teeth whitening business in your area. Create a website and social media presence. Build a professional website and establish a strong social media presence to reach your target market and promote your business. Market your business. Develop a marketing strategy that includes advertising, public relations, and word of mouth. Offer special promotions to attract new customers. Establish pricing and packages. Determine the cost of your services and create packages that meet the needs of your target market. Start offering services. Once you have all of the necessary equipment and supplies, start offering teeth whitening services from your home. Evaluate and improve. Regularly evaluate your business and make changes to improve your services and customer satisfaction.